Alright, good morning, boys. Today is Monday, September 22nd. I'm going to try a new approach to YouTube. I'm going to start live streaming all my trades, so this is going to be the first day of me doing that. I'm going to run you through my thought process coming into market open. It is currently 9:27 a.m. I already sent my bias out to the Discord saying I am bullish to the highs resting above us, right? If you look on the hourly time frame, we have a one filled 1 hour fair value gap here. On the 15-minute time frame, we have, if it loads, London midnight open, Asian high, and previous day high resting above us. So we have all these draws on liquidity resting above us. If we are trading below midnight open before market opens, there's a high probability we are going to take it out, right? Same thing with London, Asian, previous day high, all of the above. However, my main draw is this 1 hour unfilled gap right here. I really do want to see that get taken out. Besides that, we can see ES is trading right now within this 1 or 4 hour order block. Nasdaq, however, is not trading there. On Nasdaq, we are trading in equilibrium of the range. Nothing really that prominent. We didn't tap into any crazy draws on liquidity. Really just a 0.5 on the range, and we are reacting from that. On ES, we are driven by the 1 hour and 4 hour bullish order block. Nasdaq, we even inverse the hourly gap. There's nothing higher time frame pushing price up besides equilibrium. On the 15-minute, on the hourly time frame, we could see, right, price creates a 1 hour CISD right here. We sweep these lows and we close above the previous move to the upside right here. Price taps into it, reacts from it. We are aiming for that unfilled 1 hour bearish gap right there. We tap into this 15-minute breaker and 15-minute gap right here, displays higher. And we continue to displace higher as well. I'm looking to enter long at market open if we get the right setup. So let's just sit and wait for now. It's currently 9:28. All right, nothing crazy. And this is not like TJR's live stream where I have a chat, so it's just me talking to myself. I don't really have much right now, but you guys know the only props I'm currently trading with is Alpha Futures and Tradeify. So if you guys want to use my code, it is the best fucking prop firm out there right now. All right, so now we just sit and wait for our setup, right? Nothing crazy. 9:29. 30 seconds till market open. Let's see what we got. All right, we have this order block.
Order filled.
Right, targeting that unfilled hourly right there. Just take a look at ES. Not much volatility right now, honestly.
Order filled.
All right, I'm out on Tradeify, and I am out on Top Step. I think I just passed my evals. Let me check. Right, let me show you guys the two trades I just took. Yes, I am out on trade. All right, perfect. Yep, let me show you guys executions. Right, clipboard, quick trading day, nice. These are all my draws resting above me like I mentioned before. This is on Top Step. I actually entered in all the way down here. Right, on Top Step, entering, this is Top Step, 25 point take profit, I passed my evals. And this is my Tradeify trade. Was literally the smallest scalp ever, but that is how I trade. Just like that, right? It was a market open trade once again, so I couldn't actually show you guys the ideal thought process behind the trade. I'm sorry, I was a little late today, but that is how I enter trades. we respected this order block, respected the CISD, all of this, right? So if you guys have any questions about this trade, please let me know. I will be there to answer. I hope you guys have a great fucking day. Like I said, trade recap again is we tapped into this hourly CISD, draw was this unfilled hourly, 15-minute gap, 15-minute order block, tapped into all of the following. I'm actually going to enter in long right now on my alpha accounts. Right there, targeting A. I don't know what the profit goal on this is, so I'm just gonna target. Yeah, I ran that. Yeah, so we made $400 per account on Tradeify, which is honestly nothing. And we made, hold up. 400 per account on Tradeify, passed my top step evals, and we're currently up 2,000 on the Alpha Capital evals as well. I'm trying to see how I can turn, whatever. All right, I hope you guys have a great fucking day. If you guys have any questions, I'll just leave the stream running, see if all my draws get taken, show you guys how I trade, right? Bro, where the fuck is this? There we go. There it is up on the roof. I've been there, I survived. So just advice. If we get a pullback, I'll enter in long on my Tradeify accounts once again. We have an SMT at this unfilled 1 hour, which isn't a priority for me really. I still want to see price push higher. We did take out London. Let's just see what price does. We can see if we tap into midnight open. That is a probable place that price will reverse from, is midnight open. If we are going to reverse from somewhere, it is going to be in the next 8 points, I would say. Right? This is where I'd want to see price reverse from. Maybe into a retrace into a 5 or 15 minute. That would be nice. I don't want to make this video too long for you guys, however. So hopefully draws get hit pretty soon, because I don't want to make this video long for you guys. It's a pain in the ass. I mean, I'm out on basically all my accounts regardless, so except for my evals on Alpha Capital, still trading those, aiming for Asian highs on those. But besides that, like I said, passed 3 top step evals, made 400 on each account with Tradeify. If you guys have any questions about these trades, I will be here to answer them. I hope you guys have a blessed fucking day. I will see you boys tomorrow. If you're interested in getting mentored by me or joining the Discord, I will leave the link for that in the bio. So many of you guys have been asking, so leave that there. Hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you boys tomorrow. Peace out. All right, yo, I just realized 2 things. The last video was echoing, and I did not show you guys the actual P&L. Here's the P&L on 2 evals with Alpha Capital. I don't know why I got gifted a free eval, the 0. So I have to, trade that one as well, but it doesn't have the same leverage, so I got kind of fucked there. But I traded 2 evals, 1,300 each. Eval profit goal, I believe, is $9,000. I'm gonna take that slow. These are instant funded accounts. I made $620 on each one. I also have to make $9,000 on this account to request a $15,000 payout. So I will let you guys know how that goes. Like I said, I track everything on here. All my, I don't want to call it footprint, but everything that I preach and I say, I show proof for. I'm not a fucking fraud, so just know that. Keep that in mind. So here are the results for today. I will keep you guys updated tomorrow. I hope you guys have a great fucking day, and peace out.